Delicious. We're all alive and intact, but it's getting hot late, and we've been waiting here in my diesel engine. I'm about to cry about 15 minutes out. So I'm still on the phone waiting. I've now been on hold 30 minutes. I am completely drenched in sweat, as you can see.
I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start, it's true. And life will smile to you. I say life will smile.
Good morning. Welcome to Florida. We are gearing up to go on a trip this weekend. Actually, 5 days. We're going to be traveling all over the middle of Florida, so Central Florida. Today is our prep day. I'm about to go get my manicure and pedicure done with my mom in preparation for our trip that we leave for tomorrow. And I'm really excited to go get my toes done so I can look extra cute. This is the bathing suit that I'll be wearing on this trip. So I'm thinking about getting bright orange. So let's go get our nails done. Okay, I'm heading downstairs. My mom is driving. We have some pavers being done today, and it's a rainy one. Okay, I'm ready before her. Look at how humid it is. I feel like a haze. Okay, all done with our nails, and we're gonna go get lunch now, and I think James is gonna meet us. So they basically have like chicken sandwiches. James is meeting us for lunch. What do you think of the sandwich?
Oh, it's delicious.
Delicious. It's delicious. Okay, we just got home. Okay, I'm back at the house. We are getting packed up. James is out in the yard getting the kayaks in. I was laying down during the kayak or chiropractor appointment. I'm a little anxious. I need to breathe. I'm feeling anxious. Okay, we're getting ready for bed. I took my shower. Everything's pretty much set for tomorrow. James has been putting the kayaks on. They're fitting, but I'm short 2 paddles, so we'll have to get some on the way out. And my birthday present came in. I got a GoPro. I'm so excited about this. I wanted to be able to do my own GoPro, or not GoPro, my own drone footage. So I'm really excited about this one. I got it on Amazon. I've just been organizing all my books, and I'm redoing my bookshelves. They came and they fixed all the drywall here. You can't hardly see because it's getting dark, but I'll show you more once that project's done. But it is looking good. Let me see. I'm going to be taking my laptop in case I got to do downloads. I'm probably going to take my candle. I always like to have a candle in the camper because it makes me feel happy. Most of my gear I left in Greece. It was on the boat. I couldn't fit it. So I'm just gonna kind of make do with what I got. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So this is my bag. It's got my medicine and cosmetics in it. It says my name. Okay, let's see. And water shoes. This is the jackpot. Okay, this is score. This is gonna be really good because we are doing Devil's Den. And I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get in that water because Devil's Den is ice cold, which I can't wait to show you that. And we actually did our deposits. It was $5 deposit. And then once we get there, we pay another $40. And it comes with our snorkel gear and to go swimming. So I got 2 wetsuits and I have my wet shirt and pants right there. And then I got 1, 2, I got the hat, and I got 1 booty. I'm sure I got 1 more. It's got to be in here. Here it is. Okay, that's a score. I got 3 full outfits. Okay, good morning. It's time. We're in the car, ready to go. We got the kayak loaded. We got a little stowaway trying to come. Casper would love the kayaks, but they said no pets allowed anymore. But he'd be on and off the kayak the whole time. What? She said Chick-fil-A first, so we are gonna go to Chick-fil-A. And I need my mom. I'm dropping my mom off to get her car. Her car's done. Hey mom, come on down. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Mia Beth with her friend over here. They are hosing off their shoes. Okay, me and Beth and Galen are still in the car getting ready, and Maylin got here early and ordered our food because she wanted to get here before they ended breakfast. Okay, it looks like they haven't lost anything yet. Hopefully they don't. I've already got to buy 2 paddles. Okay, we're making a quick pit stop at a rest stop here in Florida. We still got about 2 hours left till we get to our first stop, which is going to be a Dick's Sporting Goods to get paddles and a Walmart. Okay, we just finished our Walmart shopping trip. We got all kinds of goodies. So our meals are gonna be kebabs, Buffalo Wild Wings kebab, and hot dogs. Good old hot dogs. And I got all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we just finished at Dick's Sporting Goods. We got the paddles, we got a dry bag, some carabiners for our kayaks, and now we're heading towards our campsite at Santos Campground and Trails. So come along, we're almost there and we'll show you around. It says about 55 minutes. And we're ready because we've been in the car all day, it seems. Have a van with a bathroom, you just pull over to take a potty break. We got a little stowaway here. Hey little guy, what are you doing? Okay, let's see if I can move it. Don't worry, I don't eat winged things. There you go. Okay, we've made it to Gainesville. We're almost to our campsite and we're gonna stop and eat again because eating's the best. I just put unleaded in my diesel engine, so I'm sitting on the side of the road. I'm about to cry about 50 minutes outside of the campsite.
It's kind of funny, but
it kind of sucks. So James is calling right now our insurance company and figuring out what we're gonna do. Okay, we're still here. I'm on hold with the tow truck and we've been waiting here for like a couple hours. It's dark now. So I'm still on the phone waiting. I've now been on hold 30 minutes. I am completely drenched in sweat, as you can see. And it's been a couple hours now and we still don't have a tow. So a little stressful. Hopefully someone can help soon. We're all alive and intact, but it's getting hot, it's getting late, and we've been waiting here for I know a tow truck said they would be here at 7:30 and we started making calls around 7, so 7 to 8 is 9:30 and we don't have air conditioning, it's hot, and nobody is coming to get us. And the tow truck is actually on the phone right now, and you guys just sent out another message that they would be here between 20 and 50 minutes and they haven't gotten anything from you. So that's not actually happening still.
It's really odd. I'm so sorry that you're having to deal with this. It's so odd that they haven't been getting anything from us. But I'd be happy to reach out to them and make sure they get the information so we can get them out there quickly.
Okay, well, they're right now on the phone. Ali, can you talk to her?
Do you have them on the other line?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they're coming. They're supposedly coming now. They said 30 minutes. Okay, I'm still here in the van. It is now 10:18. So basically at 9:30 was when I was on the phone with the insurance companies, and they're still not here, but they said they're very close now. I'm just trying to make sure I got the last of everything we need. I do have some updates. They are towing the car now to the hotel that we're staying at, and we've hired a mobile mechanic to come. It's gonna cost me $750 to repair this, and then plus the hotel. This has turned out to be a very, very expensive mistake. He's pulling up, thank goodness, finally. I'm heading up to our room. I am here, the tow truck should be here any minute. The van's being delivered. Okay, this is our room for the night. We have a king size bed and its own bathroom. This is our life. Then we have this beautiful little living area. We have a kitchen, fully stocked because we were packing like we were going to be camping out. And this also has a whole nother bedroom and bathroom. So 2 queens, 1 king, probably even a sleeper sofa, but we don't need it. And we can look out at our car. The kids all just went downstairs. They are, almost all of them. They're gonna go help the gentleman get the car off. I guess he needs them to do the brakes. I'm gonna head to bed. I will keep you posted on what happens with that tomorrow. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get organized here and get some shut-eye. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.